revealing the base BaaS price for the first electric vehicle. Maruti Suzuki has revealed full price list. The vehicle starts from rupees 15.99 lakhs and rupees 0.01 lakhs ex-showroom. Available with two battery packs with the base Delta trim coming with smaller 49 kilowatt hour and the Alpha and Zeta trim gets a large 61 kilowatt hour battery pack. Range is claimed up to be 543 kilometers for the model. Vitara is also available on the BaaS where customers pay a rental amount on the depending on kilometer usage. For the smaller battery pack, it's 3.99 per for the larger one is 4.39 rupees kilometer. The car maker is offering a complimentary 7.4 kilowatt hour charger with free installation. It is also providing 8-year 1,60,000 warranty on the battery pack, 3 years vehicles, and extended warranty of 5 years also available at cost. The Vitara is also available with assured buyback plan with 60% buyback value on 3-year 45,000 kilometer plan and 50% buyback value on 60,000 kilometer value. Deliveries will commence immediately, but it will be constant till July as they have to balance between domestic and export market. In only manufacturing base sold for this vehicle. I think Gujarat factory they produce other vehicles like Fronks. The company says it's working to ensure periods remain manageable. Deliveries to be scaled up from second half this year. Pricing is not very aggressive as what is expected from Maruti. It is more expensive than VinFast VF6 which starts from 17.29 lakhs, MG Windsor which starts at 14 lakh rupees, but it's more affordable than Hyundai Creta which is between 18.02 lakhs to 24.7 lakhs, Mahindra BN6 which is from 18.9 lakhs to 27.5 lakhs. Also two battery packs, the 49 kilowatt hour variant 144 while the 61 kilowatt hour makes 174 bhp. Both of them the same amount of torque, comes with FWD as standard. They claim a top from 10 to 80% using the 7.4 kilowatt hour. They take 6.5 hours for the 49 kilowatt hour battery and hours for the 61 kilowatt hour battery.